Starting our third day, and we're off to the Atlas Mountains.
To ride camels.
And we're going to ride a camel. And our bus driver is just here. There he is, parked up. Just stopped the bus and having a look at the scenery with the flowers. There's some snow at the top of those mountains. Just about to have a tour of these plants to see the different types of herbs they have in the mountain area, because this is traditionally where they grow all of the herbs that you find in the shops. Just use the traditional toilet in here, it's very clean. So they do sell this tea that we bought yesterday up here in the mountain, and it's €7 a bag, and there's more in that bag than we got yesterday, so it's about half price. They bring a lot of people up here. You can see there's loads and loads of vans hanging around. I have to have a picture of the lady who's making the argan oil, and it drops into that bowl there. I thought we were getting back in the van, but we're walking out for a viewpoint. What can you see? See anything? Animal?
I'm not seeing any animals, no. Just a view and a blue sky.
Just got to the lunchtime stop and sat next to this beautiful river. Emma's looking cold. Just walking back, he said that the lunch wasn't included, and yeah, it was. So thank you very much. So now we're just heading back, and maybe they'll work it out. So I've got the omelette.
I've got vegetable soup.
No, I do that.
Joe's got the omelette.
I do. I don't.
Yeah. A lot of people say, why do you film it? But you do, don't you?
Why not? And I forgot your name, what did it? Karam. Got it. And Karam's got the soup as well. Yeah. Oh, this lovely one's here.
Chicken tea.
Yeah, thank you. Finally going to get one being pulled off, I think.
Once you get it up,
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's one with the figs in it. Oh, you've got the lemon chicken again. Skewers. And,
Grilled chicken.
It's like a chicken leg. Some amazing restaurants as you go down here. Just starting our walk up the mountain. Our group's got about 20 people in it, and so far we've just walked down a road, so I'm hoping it gets a bit more rural. Crossing the river. Take it steady, Em. Don't fall in. She made it. We stopped to look at the steps villages. Apparently there's one that's 5 miles away and you can only get to it by foot. I think that's a waterfall there. So the reason for the walk is we're going to the Ourika Falls. We're told it's an half-hour walk to get to the top. It's a mini Medina. Oh, a faller. Another river crossing. That's cheating. Needs to have a lady turning it with a handle. Is that the falls? We're expecting bigger. They put a lot of effort into making cans cold, but we don't need it today because it's freezing. Now appears to be walking through the middle of the waterfall. Oh, over the river again, out at the... Definitely got a bit wet then. We're heading up there to that area. The falls. Are you coming? Was that easy?
Well, look at the sun.
No sun round here. Right in the shade. Oh, isn't it pretty?
Can you take a photo of me?
Yeah, get your camera. That's the waterfall done. I'm not sure what we're going to next. The group's a bit further on. It is quite a steep hill. I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but it's nearly vertical.
We're halfway with our hike.
Made it.
What do you want?
Oh, you're after your phone, are you?
Where is it?
In my pocket, I think.
Allowed.
Oh, she nearly lost her phone. She's breathing a sigh of relief. Can't believe you did that. She nearly lost her phone. What's she gone to get? And what's it got with it?
Sugar cubes. This has the most likes.
Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. She's only got 2 sugar cubes.
Oh no, that's 6.
Is it sweet enough then?
Mine is after one.
I haven't got any of mine.
Should rather eat the sugar.
Give it a good start. Is it the same stuff as we had before? This has got mint in it.
The trouble with giving it a good stir is it kind of makes it look switchy. It looks nice before.
Good cup of tea. Last bit of the walk. Sheer drop down there. Apparently this is the journey back down. We go down another route to the one we came up. Oh, someone's gone too far. No, they've gone the wrong way. Uh-oh. This way! Just going to get a picture of the village down below, the traditional steps village. Not sure if I can get the close view. Looks a bit like in the pictures. And here's the group carrying on down, getting close to the pathway now. Back into the souk. It's all local stone, handmade.
More, I know, in Europe you know how much.
Back at the river area. Loads of people having dinner now. What you don't get on the video is the smell, or barbecue, and the tagines. I'm surprised there's not more people down there. That looks really attractive. Oh, that's a spread. Look at that. We didn't get that much. Ourika. I don't think I got any change. How much? 20. My wife's got the money. Hurry up, come. Can I have a 20? Because I'm going to get one of these things off the lads.
Oh, sorry, I've got another 20.
Let me see. Not like that. That one I like. Yeah, that's good. Okay, there you go. I can't have one of them as well. I've only got one. We're now at the traditional Berber house. This is where they grind the flour. Traditional Bedouin cat or kitten. We were worried we wouldn't get our camel ride, but it looks like it's going to happen. I think these might be our camels. You think it's ours?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, a bit like that.
Bravo.
Hi. Oh, that's a quick turn. Hey! Hey Emma, you going down? Whoa. I'm okay. That's good.